CBSColorado.com.
Our First Alert Weather Day coverage continues. First Alert Chief Meteorologist Dave Aguilera joining us now. And if you thought it was cold last night, just wait.
Just wait.
Well,
yeah, it's really coming tonight.
Just to say.
And it's so good that thing is in the summertime, not at this time of year, right? Let's jump outside, show you what it looks like. Brr, it just looks cold out there. It's 9 degrees at City Park right now. And look at all the snow out there. We had just a little over an inch out that way. And some of the snow reports we had today about 3.5, 4.5, Boulder, Holyoke, Lyman, Fort Collins, Berthoud, Arvada, about 1 to nearly 3 inches of snow there. Not a huge amount of snow, but man, oh man, did it tie up the morning drive this morning, just making a lot of roads very slick, and a lot of accidents were had this morning. Could be kind of slick as you head out this afternoon and this evening as well. Temperatures already single digits. Fort Lupton, Brighton, Commerce City, Central Park, Greenwood Village is at 8. It's 8 in Littleton, 7 in Ken Carroll. It is dropping like a rock, ladies and gentlemen, all over northeastern Colorado here and the eastern plains. Going to go down. Mountains, of course, it's always cold up there, but you'll be extra cold tonight if you are up in that area. Low temperatures pretty much for 2/3 of the state will be below zero tonight. And then you get a little breeze blowing, you get wind chills even colder than what the actual temperature will be. So from Castle Rock into Denver, Fort Collins and Greeley, a cold weather advisory here, 8 p.m. tonight through 8 a.m. tomorrow. 5 to 15 below zero in this area. You get out across the eastern plains, top to bottom pretty much, anywhere from 15 to 25 below zero on the wind chill factors. And in the mountains, although we don't usually put advisories for the cold weather up there, if you're in any mountain valleys, same deal there. You could be about 20 to 25 below zero on the wind chills overnight tonight with the clearing skies. Now, we still have a few clouds here and there, but for the most part, as we go through the night, these clouds will clear out. We might have just a few flurries in some of the mountains here and there going on. Then that pulls out tomorrow morning. Partly cloudy in some areas. We could even have a little bit of fog along the Platte River Valley up there in Weld County to start the day tomorrow, and then I think it will burn off rather rapidly, passing clouds in the afternoon. And then on Friday, we got another system coming in. Tomorrow night into Friday, the snow really ramps up in the mountains out here, and it will dump all the way through the weekend for the high country. Late in the day on Friday, a little bit of rain mixed with snow for us, and then Saturday morning, some snow from Denver out over the eastern plains, and we cool down. And that snow may continue off and on during the day on Saturday. Let's talk about what we're expecting to come our way tomorrow night into Saturday. So it's be all day Friday. The northern, central, and southern mountains could see 1 to 2 feet of snow out of this blast coming through. A lot of moisture with this one around here. And for us, this will mostly be overnight Friday into Saturday morning, about 1 to 4 inches of snow, it looks like right now, across Denver and the Front Range communities, our suburbs as well. All right, high temperatures tomorrow, only 30s across the eastern plains, but a big improvement over what we've got going on today. 30s in the mountains and 40s out on the western slope. So in Louisville tomorrow, yeah, 34 degrees for your high. Southern stretch though, Littleton, Inglewood, Highlands Ranch, Castle Pines in the 40s down there, close to 40s the further south you go. And if you go into some of the neighborhoods around Arvada here, Quaker Acres, Layden Rock, the Blue Mountain Estates, low to mid 30s for your high temperatures tomorrow. So we finally make it above freezing tomorrow, but we're keeping it a First Alert Weather Day just because the cold below zero morning. 50 on Friday for Valentine's Day, not bad at all. And then Friday into Saturday, a rain-snow mix, a possible First Alert Weather Day now for the snow that we're expecting on Saturday. It gets out of here on Sunday. And to kick off next week, of course, it's President's Day on Monday, 49, and a very small chance of some late day mix coming your way on Monday night with another little cool shot for Tuesday there. So a lot of up and down around here, but it's nice to see 50 at least on one day on that Friday.
Yeah, sure is. Right.
And it's Valentine's Day too, so
even better.
It all works out.
Thank you, Dave.
Well, they may be